Cześć wszystkim, nazywam się Paweł Buczek, witaj na kanale Na Muchę. Jest początek listopada i wybrałem się tutaj z Johnem na Llyn Clywedog, położony w Walii tylko i wyłącznie na pstrągi. Przypuszczam, że to będzie już koniec naszego sezonu, jeśli chodzi o wędkowanie w tym roku. Może jeszcze się gdzieś wybierzemy, to zależne od pogody. Serdecznie zapraszam Was na film. John, what's the name of the place? Clywedog? Llyn Clywedog. So that is one of the favorite places when you love to fishing.
Yeah, all year long. I fish from March until the end of November, at least once a week here.
So yeah, I'm looking forward. But looks like there will be a coming rain. Are you still want to go to the boat? Just...
We'll have a look, see when we get there, see how bad it is. Boats are up and round the side there.
Shall we go have a look?
Yeah, we'll go and have a look at it.
Okay. Llyn Clywedog, this is the hiding gem in Welsh when it's stocked with the trouts. Really amazing place. John is shouting, it's a coffee place there when you can go have a coffee. And what is in the other side there?
It's rowing, sailing club.
Sailing club, that's the one. Are we going here right next to is the place when we're going to. Beautiful place. And they stock it 4,500 fishes a week in here, isn't it? Or more than that.
Usually in the season it's between 1,000 and 1,400 fish a week, all year long. But they've, because they're closing down at the end of this month, they'll put everything in there. So we get there.
I'm ready to go. That probably will be last time when I'm fishing with you in the Llyn Clywedog.
What, this year?
Looks like it, yeah. Looks like it will be last time when I will be fishing with you this year. The water is well low,
yeah.
But even so we decide to take a boat.
Yeah, we're
so we got the lucky 11 this time.
We're having lucky 11. We're going to go and park ourselves in this over there and see if we can't find them fish that we found last time.
Hope we will.
We hope so. Yeah.
So off we go. We got the number 11 today, which is ours. No, the last time we had a number 10,
yeah.
And that was the most lucky one.
That was lucky for you.
Would you be our captain?
I will be the captain.
That's great.
I will be the captain. No problem.
Today water is well low. The fishes are still here. Our favorite pets. I'll let John go first. And I put some pallets on. Oh. Oh yeah. Food. Food. I love when they do it there. Oh, I can't help it. I like the sound when they do. Voila. So I take it with me today the Sigma Supra from Shakespeare, 9'5" with intermediate lines on, but just in case I take the sinking line and the floating line, but probably I will be stuck to it. John, you got a what? Silver Creek?
Is it what?
What you have at Silver Creek? No, you have it today.
No, I've got my Shakespeare.
Sure, okay, so you got the similar size, probably 9 foot with intermediate line on. Oh, looks like a fantastic trip on the rain. And off we go. John, we'll just switch the engine on. Captain! Switch the engine on first, and again the same problem. Ready? Let them warm up the engine first.
Let us go.
Yep. Oh, if I can reach. Ready to rock and roll. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, I am. Thank you very much. I don't think we will go far. So, as we discussed earlier, shall we go in that place there?
Yeah, going over there.
Okay. And, look on the hill there. Looks amazing.
It is. It rains all the time, and that's why they put it here.
Really looks
No
good.
good putting a reservoir somewhere where there's no rain, is it?
True. But I'm not talking about the rain, I'm talking about them hills.
Oh, beautiful.
That looks good.
Just a joke.
Woo! Cold on hands already.
And that's all tied up. You have enough rope to...
Woo! It's a Netflix weather.
It's blowing us where it wants now.
Yeah, I know. Oh. What's funny thing is, look at that. The other side is a beautiful sunshine. And
Beautiful. And look at that.
I got hope that weather will come to us soon.
Yeah.
Stop raining, starts blowing. Oh, with our luck. I know, it's amazing.
It blows away this low lying cloud. We'll have a nice day.
But
The lake to ourselves.
yeah, well, you can tell it's cold today. I just feel on my hands. Yeah, I noticed there's only what, 4 of us in the whole reservoir. Brilliant. Yeah, thanks God they let us take the boats out. Yeah. John?
Yeah.
They start becoming wavy. You got the bucket for me?
Yeah.
Just in case? Just in case I will put you in the bucket. Oh God. Shall we make it competition? Who catch the first? The most bigger one.
The biggest fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Not the how many, but the most biggest one.
Biggest one.
Shall we? Okay, I tried to use my favorite method, which is roly-poly. Ah! You do the same.
Yeah.
Roly-poly, the most catchy.
Fast.
The most catchy, deadly method. Sun comes out.
No.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
You reckon?
Yeah, I think it is. Look at that, the hills around you. They come in such a beautiful green. And we got a little bit of sunshine. We'll see for how long. Yeah, I know. I really like coming in here. I really love the surrounding. Really nice place.
It's one of my favourite places to catch.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I got away. It's amazing, really lovely place. And it's not so small.
No, and whenever, if it gets busy here, if you've got a boat, you can always go and find somewhere.
Exactly, that is the beauty of it. It's a little bit pricey, I'm not saying no. It is a little bit pricey, it's not cheap.
But when you think about it, if you can take 6 fish, that makes it worth it.
Yeah, first you need to catch them.
Well,
That is only one thing, you need to first catch them. So what do you think, what is the most difficult to locate the fish on this time of the weather? Because normal you can see from the distance how the fish jump on the top of the water and then you go into.
Yeah.
But how to find the fish now?
Well, the only thing I'm going on is the last two trips I've made here, this has been where we've been catching the fish.
Yeah, I understand it, but if someone would be done going, like completely new person would want to come in here and need to find a fish on that weather condition, how you can find them?
Well, usually if they're not showing on the surface, you've got to try different depths. So start off fishing high in the water, and if you do no good, put something a bit heavier on, and if that's no good, go to full sinking line, go right the way down. So you can only do it by that, because you're not going to find, unless you ask at the lodge, and they might say, oh, they were catching down bigger like yesterday or up popular yesterday. Sometimes they'll help you, but if you're just doing it on your own, you've got to bring the changes and keep changing the line and the depth and the.
That's what I was just thinking of. That must be well difficult for the people who just come in here as the first time, take the boat out and forget to ask on the lodge where to go to. They actually got no other choice, just to need to have a watch the other people or be lucky and a fish jump from the top of the water.
That's right. I mean, it's the amount of times I've come here and done no good for ages, and then either somebody said something or I put a certain fly on and that's it. But loads of times I've been here all day and not found the right fly. Just That's just how it is.
So most of the time it's a luck.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of luck involved in it. And I got very lucky all of a sudden.
Oh no! But remember, we had a competition.
It's the biggest.
The biggest, not the smallest. Oh, well done, John.
There you go.
Which color did you take?
The black same as you.
Ah, the same black than I have it. Okay. Oh, well done. Ah, he's taking for a ride. He's taking for a ride. Yeah, I know. Oh my God. Going go around. John, your fish take us for a ride. It's turning around, the waves. Doesn't help at all, mate.
Come on.
Oh, it's a good sized fish. Well done, congratulations. Ah, rainbow. It is. We're looking for golden pot.
Yeah.
Shall we?
This is Rainbow Corner. Dry fly in November.
Not the biggest one, but it's a count, it's a fish.
It counts. He's only told
We let him go. Congratulations me.
Well done you, it's a sedge you caught.
I know. John Palmer, this is your bloody day. How many did you caught it? Oh, well done. Congratulations. I'm done.
You've had enough.
I had enough. It's this time of the day when you start thinking to go home.
It's been very difficult fishing today in this one.
It is indeed.
But it's
It was a well rough day.
not impossible, it's not nice fishing, is it?
Yeah. Beautiful place. Definitely go back here next year. Hello everyone.
Hi guys.
I'm freezing for that, John. Was bloody freezing. Tell me, oh, the Scotland was much more warmer than now today in Welsh.
Well, it's November and you got wet. Don't help it.
That's
Just,
true. Even
if
so,
you get wet, then you're going to get cold.
Yes, I was dressed myself like an onion.
Yeah.
The smell, not like an onion, but who knows now.
You had many layers.
Yeah, many layers.
Many layers. But yeah, it was a good day. The only problem was the wind. I felt it was just very, very windy. But I managed to catch 6 fish, so I was quite happy with that.
John, I'm well impressed of you. You will show your skills. There was a competition between me and you who was caught the biggest one. Not how many caught it.
Yeah.
But I'm impressed. I'm well impressed of your size of the fish, which was nearly 4 pounds.
Yeah. Good fish.
So well done. Well, congratulations. And I'm impressed of myself as well because of the even was so horrible wind. I caught the fish on the dry fly.
Yeah.
Which is unusual.
It is. Yeah. Well, yeah, November, and it was cold, and they just came on and started to hatch sedges just quick, and you managed to get one. So that was real quick.
So you totally had it too, so it's not bad.
Yeah, yeah. But it was a good day.
Yeah. Even when it was windy and cold, it was a lovely day.
Oh, cool. Yeah. And it's always dramatic here. I mean, most of the day we had rainbows, didn't we?
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
It is true. Today is unfortunately well cold.
Sunshine and showers, and then you get your rainbows up. It's lovely. It was worth coming.
Right, tie the lines everyone.
See you next time.